Here's the real reason you don't have any money. Stay till the end and I'll tell you how to fix it starting today. Now, why am I telling you this? Well, because it used to be me. I used to make $10 an hour. I had no money for real. And even when I started making up to $40,000 a year, I still had no money and I didn't know what was happening. Until I figured this out, I remained struggling. And after I figured this out, everything started changing for me. I was able to save $25K. I was able to pay over $10,000 off in debt, much more. You can go to my page to see my story, but let's get into it. So say you make $4,000 a month, you have $3,000 a month in bills and groceries and everything like that. You should, in theory, on paper, have $1,000 left over, right? But that's on paper. What you actually see happening is that you're paid throughout the month, you pay your bills throughout the month, and you have nothing left over. You are scraping by until your next paycheck, and you're thinking, I don't make enough money to pay all my bills. Now here's what's actually happening. Because you didn't make a budget, because you think it's a waste of time, or you don't want to do it, or whatever the reason is, you're going throughout your month and you are spending little things here and there. You're spending $15 here on Amazon. You're spending $10 over here on TikTok Shop. You are going to the dollar store and spending $10. And all the while you're telling yourself, these are little purchases. It doesn't matter. So, okay, I'm going to go and get McDonald's, for instance. That's only $20. It doesn't matter. I have it. Because in theory, you should have $1,000 left over right after your bills. But what you don't realize is that throughout the month, this adds up so freaking fast. And before you know it, this extra $1,000 that you should have had, no, you don't have that anymore. And because this keeps happening month after month after month, you tell yourself you don't make enough money, you don't have enough to pay your bills, you don't have enough to even save $5, and you'll never be able to save $5. The solution to this problem is not for you to make more money. Are there people who actually don't make enough money to pay their bills and they stick to a very tight budget and still don't have enough? Yes, of course, but that's an income problem. And most Americans have actually a spending problem, not an income problem. Answer is not more money is because if you do not get a hold of your spending and you do not learn how to manage your money, you are going to continue doing all of this every month and you're just going to waste more and more money and you're going to be right back. What you do need, my friend, is a budget. And let me give you some options and lay this out for you. The first thing you can do is to track your spending so you can find the leaks so you can stop leaking your money everywhere. There's a free spending tracker in my bio if you want it, or you can just do it in a notebook. Track every purchase and see where you're spending. Your next option is to watch videos, take notes, and learn. Go to my page. I have a ton of videos and you can learn all about how to budget for your situation, how to save money, all that good stuff. And guess what? Both of these options here are free. Okay, you have no excuse. Option 3, you can go to my bio and you can get the beginner budgeting guide or the money mastery toolkit. Both of them have all of the budgeting spreadsheets in it. The only difference is that the beginner budgeting guide is teaching you how to budget. The money mastery toolkit is teaching you everything from A to Z. These are PDF guides that are going to walk you through the process on your own. You can take your time, do it how you want to, and it's going to guide you through the process. Option 4, if you're actually serious about changing your life and you really want to learn how to make these changes, go join the Budget Mastery Bootcamp. This is for the people who are complete beginners, don't know where to start, or if you just like more of a guided experience, this is me walking you through the process with guided videos, with homework, showing you how to budget for your lifestyle, and this is going to change your life. So what are you going to do, friend? The choice is yours, but you do need to make a choice. Commit to yourself, make a choice, make a change your life. Okay, I'm here for you every step of the way. I'm your biggest cheerleader. Reach out if you have any questions. You got this, friend.